Hi, namhlanje ngizochaza i-trade le ngiyithathile le bekuyi-win, yabona. So socala kuyi-one, kuyi-daily time frame ukubona i-bias because that was the higher time frame, yabona. So ngithe ngifika la ngabona ukuthi i-price ivale bullish, bullish candle closure in terms of the previous day's candle, yabona la ukuthi ivala kanjani. So bengazi ukuthi bengibona ukuthi i-price izoya phezulu, yabona nala, but i-price bisiye phezulu. So into engayenza ukuthi ngaya to the 1 hour chart. Mengifika ku the 1 hour chart ngabuka ukuthi okay, is there anything ebonisayo ukuthi i-price isazoya phezulu or not? And then ngathola ukuthi hayi, i-price actually ngathi seyifuna ukuya phansi. It makes sense because besiyithathe i-daily target, yabona. So yabona la kune-reversal candle closure to the downside. Ngayenzani? Ngabeka ama-target la, naku-GBP ngabeka i-target la, and then ngiceda ngaya ku-15-minute chart. Mengifika ku-15-minute chart nakhona ngathola more confluence ukuthi i-price izoya lower, yabona nala nayi la i-reversal, ikuphi, yeah, I think bekuyile, yabonisa ukuthi i-price ngathi isafuna ukuya lower, yabona. So into ngayenza, I believe bekuyile or bekuyiphi, maybe bekula, yeah, to the downside. So but I think yeah, it was here probably, yeah, or la, yeah. Okay, so mengiceda lapho ngayenzani, ngaya ku the 1 minute chart. Mengifika ku 1 minute chart ngayenzani, I was looking for any confluence yokubonisa ukuthi prices were lower. So ngithe ngifika ku 1 minute chart ngabona ukuthi okay, i-price izoya lower because kune-SMT, a bearish SMT fill la, yabona. So into engayenza ukuthi ngamele i-price ukuthi ibuyele back la because besengithrow in a range, yabona la kunama 6 tab, yabona, 1, 2, 3, 4, which was illiquidity, 5 yaya lower, and then 6 nayi la. So bengibona ukuthi i-price izoyenzani, it might come back la, ithephe le liquidity then iye phansi futhi. So ngavele ngathatha setup la, ngabeka i-stop above i-SMT, i-bearish SMT fill, and then yeah, trade went with the bias. It was one to one risk to reward ratio. So ngiyabonga for ukubuka le video. Sharp.